How CAD drawing avoids construction mistakes.
In civil engineering, a tiny error in a CAD drawing can lead to massive costs, or even disasters. So, how do engineers ensure pixel-perfect precision?
Let's break it down.
Precision starts before the CAD draft, with exact field measurements. Survey data, like elevation points, is imported into CAD to create a real-world scale model. CAD software locks designs to mathematically precise coordinates. Engineers use grids, snaps, and constraints to eliminate guesswork. Even the best draft needs quality checks, collaboration, and clash detection. Precision isn't just about software, it's about the human verification, which we do very well. In the real world, a 1 centimeter CAD error can cause $10,000 in rework on site. Hence, we make the CAD design reliable, safe, cost-saving, and compliant.
Looking for civil engineering CAD design?
Contact us today. Partner with us to design your CAD drawing and drafting.
Call us USA +1 516 2104 482, India +91 79 7874-6254. Email us info@polosofttech.com. Website https://www.polosofttech.com.